Hello, this is my second video in my the five new technologies. This is Newsela, and I had heard about this from other teachers that taught the upper grades when I was teaching the lower grades, and I've always wanted to get into it and look at it. Basically, it's news articles about many different subjects, and it's made for students. Um, I think it would be a great resource for if you're looking for, if the kids are doing research on a specific topic, such as one of the projects that I like to do in my classroom when I teach fourth or fifth grade is on endangered animals. So they can go to the search, they can search a topic, and it will bring up different articles pertaining to endangered animals. And they can look through and they can choose what they think would be interesting, an article. It also tells, like some of them are in Spanish, it tells how many words are in the article. It also gives, if you look into, you can assign it, you can give it a title, um, you can lock a level, you can assign it to the whole class, you have a title, you can add a class, you can create a class, you can put instructions on how to use a specific article, many different things that can be used and created. It's not just, okay, go read this and you're done. They can filter by level, best for lower, upper, the reading levels. So you can take it down. If I was just looking for, let's say, fourth grade up to, say, fifth grade, and then it would filter the articles. It gets rid of a couple, it looks like. So there's many different ways that you can use it. Different topics, languages, saved how, assignments. Click on the assignments. You can create what you've done, different assignments. So there's many different things you can use this for. I think it'd be a great way to use with students because it gives them kind of their own ownership to what they get to read or what they think. They're doing their own search and it's at their level, and you can set up or you can leave it open to them being able to figure it out. Thank you.